For registering this lock, press star hash, put first 6-digit password, then hash. Okay. So here add ID, press 1, delete ID plus 2, and 3 system setting, 4 wireless. Press 1, add admin ID, press 1. Here I add administrator password, then put it again. It is minimum 6 digit. Okay. Then I put my finger here to register as my finger administrator. Approximately 5 to 6 times. Then I come back in the main setting, press 4 for wireless. To register wireless, press 1. Now just go into your mobile application, open Toya Smart, press add devices. After that you just see your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is working. Then see here is some this Wi-Fi is coming, VS Wi-Fi Pro. So this will connect with this lock. Now it will connect it. Press done. This loading is coming. Okay, now you can generate from here temporary password. There is two times password, online password and offline password. And from this application you just open your smart lock. If someone ring the bell from here like this, see the notification come to your mobile like this. Then you can open just swiping on green side. See, it will unlock. After few seconds it will lock. Okay. And here also you can see the operation log and also the alerts. Someone ring the bell at this time. Also the days coming today is if yesterday, tomorrow, like this. These all are coming. Operation log is also with the time. And you can generate temporary password or time limit password from here. Time limit password for online, just press add, and here you can add minimum 7-digit password. And also you can put here expiration time like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 days, 3 days, like this one. And also one time password you can generate from here. See, obtain password. Here the online password is come, that is a one-time password. You have to remember this password, or also you copy this password to send the other person for whom you give the temporary password, this one-time password. Okay, we'll check. Now see, it will work. This is one-time password. Now it's not working. Okay.